That's my toaster. Okay, so this is our first step to making Ashley drink something very disgusting, and she won't know what it is. She's not gonna. she's not gonna know what it is till we're finished with it. Okay. So there. We add some beep.
Just be gentle and kind.
All right. Next, we add beep. Only a spot of beep. Yeah, I know.
Is this empty, this one?
And it won't come out.
This one empty?
Yes. Oh, hold on. I gotta do this thing. All right.
Technical difficulties, folks.
This always happens to us.
I'll get my mom.
Go away, lady.
All right, got it.
Okay, now that the technical difficulties are over,
Hold on.
as soon as Nicole puts the beep on the beep,
I'm gonna watch golf. Turn off
Okay.
the phone.
Next,
we will add some beep. Oh, my dad's going to
clearly get a thing, a fork.
Oh, they're in here.
All right.
Ew.
Alright. So now, next we add
Smile.
and last we add
That's my dad.
Alright. Okay, ready?
I think we're out. Is it coming?
Got it! Yes. Okay. Now we gotta stir it
Now we
up.
will stir it.
Okay.
How's it?
Lee, turn it off now. Turn it off. Lee, now here we are with Ashley.
Do it in the kitchen.
Where she's going to now taste her
Concoction.
concoction. Here, close them. Are they closed? Make sure they're closed.
Come with me, Ashley. I will not leave you. This is so nasty.
Close your eyes, Ashley. Are they closed? Are you sure?
You're in my kitchen now, Ashley.
All right. No way, really?
No, that's the water.
Ashley, no.
Okay.
Here, just take one drink.
Ew, I don't think I can do this.
I don't blame you.
Ew, I can't do it.
Ashley, you have to.
I can't believe you're even thinking about it.
Ashley,
Ew, I can't do it. No, I can't do it.
okay. Leanne wants to drink it.
The pickles are just bobbing up and down.
It's good. Your cat's in the sink.
Oh, he loves the sink.
Oh, I can taste the mustard now. Ew. I'm crying. Is there honey in that?
No, maple syrup. And that concludes Drink It.